Hi everyone and welcome back to Freestyle Drama. This is our third film for Ride Library, and this film will be covering our filming process about cameras, where we position things, shot sizes, all that sort of thing, and a few techniques and tips to help you along with the filming job. Hi there, back again. Just to show you what a stand looks like. This is a tripod. Okay, it's got 3 legs, that's why it says tri. And we have a mount here that fits on top of the tripod, like that. And we have a microphone that plugs into the side of the iPad here. And the microphone really helps the quality of the sound as well. Okay, so that's the setup. Now, the main reason a tripod and mount is a good idea is because it gives stability. It's a shot. You can move it up and down a little bit there. Okay, and you adjust this. You can move it side to side as well. And it keeps the shot stable. Now, if you hold it by hand, what can happen is you get a few wobbles and shakes and things, which is okay if you're filming an earthquake. That's a great idea, or a crash or something like that. But yeah, if you want a general shot, you want to be able to see it clearly, and that's why when it's stable, it's the best idea. If you can't do that, you can find simple things. Use some books or a cup and prop your iPad like that. And then you can press the reverse button so it reverses this way and it films you. And then you press record. You can put it down and then it will see you. Now you've got to think about what shots you want to use. A close-up is like mainly of the face, so you want to see their emotions. A mid-shot is mainly what we use today, which is like half the body. And then a wide shot is like showing you where people are, of the island and, wide open spaces or a building or something like that. So I hope that helps. I love living near the beach. How about you, Percy? You do? Oh, I know. This feels so good. Do you want to go for a swim? Okay. Have a good swim. When you're filming, it's a good idea to follow some rules about letting the actors know when they're going to be filmed. So if you've got someone who can operate the camera, now it's a good idea and a director, it's a good idea for them to give some signals to communicate when the filming shall start. Now the usual way that we do this on a film set is lights, camera, action. But what the first thing we should do is let people know what scene we're up to. So we're going to shoot scene 1 and we say scene 1, take 1. And then if that's not quite a good take, we might need to do it again. If we make a mistake, we might need to do it again. So we might say scene 1, take 2, and scene 1, take 3. Sometimes it takes a lot of takes because of the mistakes. Usually the last one is the best one, but not always. So it's a good idea to get into that. And then a way of counting in the actor to let them know. So you let everyone know. First thing you should do is ask everyone to be quiet, because we need everyone to be silent on the set. So we say quiet on set, scene 1, take 2, and then the director should be able to say action in 3, and that lets the actors know it's time to do their performance. We keep it silent because when we're editing, which I'll show you in our next video, you need a bit of space to move clips around and merge them together. So it's always good to have a bit of space there. So that's why the last one would do 3, 2 and the 1 is silent. so it helps with the editing, but everyone knows where we are in terms of the filming. Percy! Percy! Where are you, Percy? Percy! Percy, come back! Oh, Percy, where are you? So here you can see I'm in front of the green screen, and I'll be using the green screen to show lots of different backgrounds. I'll be at the beach and flying on a carpet. Now, it's a green screen can be handy if you even a green sheet, and we use an app called VScope or Do Ink on an iPad, and that allows you to use whatever photo you have on the iPad you can use for your green screen workshop, and it looks like you're on the moon or underwater or wherever you like. I've got you, Penguin. I know you've got the secret information. Quit your whining. You're coming with me. When you're filming, it's a good idea to have the light behind the camera. So the light is actually on the subject, in this case me, so you can see the actor or the character more clearly. If the light was behind me, then it would be a bit shadowy and a bit darker and not so clear. And also with sound, if you have a microphone, that'd be great. But if you don't, you can probably tell if I come closer, you can hear me a lot better. But if I'm sort of too far away, it's more difficult to hear. And plus there's other sounds like planes and birds and traffic and things like that. Hello, police? Yeah. My name's Jeff, and I've lost my penguin. Yeah. No. Yeah. I'm at the beach. He went for a swim, but he always comes back, and he's never come back. Yeah, his name's Percy. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Well, he's my best friend. If I really want him back. Okay. Well, he's grey, and he's got a yellow sort of right on the end of his beak and sort of black flippers. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, Percy. You can also plan your shots. So say now I'm getting into the character of the baddie of Umbrella Spy Jacket, and I could do all his scenes at the same time. So I could, even though they are not in order, so I could do scene 1 and scene 4 because they're both for the same character. I don't have to do it in order because I have the costume on and I'm ready to go. You can do it the other way, but this sometimes saves time and works well. Hello, Beach Police. Constable Rodriguez speaking. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. So you want to report a missing penguin? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, we're going to do the best we can. I can't promise you anything at this stage, but we'll put all available police constables on the job. What does a penguin look like? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. We'll do what we can. Calm down, young man. Calm down, young man. We'll put every available officer on the case. Don't worry. We'll get him back. What's his name? Percy. Okay, we're on the job. So yes, you can use lots of different props to help you make your film. Whatever you like, wigs to help you look younger, in my case. Yeah, flying carpets. And you can play around with these. You can find different, objects. You can put them on to make it look like they are actually like flying or staying up in mid-air. There's all sorts of different tricks. Okay. Hello, little boy. You look a bit sad. What is the problem? Oh, bon. Well, I have the thing to cheer you up. Would you want to buy a flying carpet? It's only $10. Yeah, it's the finest carpet, and it flies, guaranteed. You don't need a license or anything. It's only $10. Bon? Okay. Thank you. $10. Go. There you go. Let's feel fly. Another good day in the office. Oh, hello, mister. Yeah, I lost my penguin, Percy. A flying carpet? How much? Does it work? Okay. It's $10. Thanks. Thanks, mister. Okay, let's fly. So even if you film out a window and point it up at the sky, you can make it, and you stand in front of it, you can make it look like you're flying almost. I'm going to use a green screen background, but I'm just showing you a few different techniques that you can use. I'm going to use the green screen so it looks like the sky, and I put the carpet over a chair, and then I'm going to sit on the carpet so it looks like a flying carpet. So let's see how it works. This flying carpet is amazing. It's going so fast, and I can find Percy on my tracker on my phone. It's a bit windy up here though. I'll get a bit wobbly. Oh, I hope I don't. Oh no, there's some sharks. I'm coming to get you, Percy, don't worry. Are you still on my phone? I'm soaking wet. I'll find you. Here I come. Oh no, I think Percy's in that cave. And it looks really scary. Don't worry, Percy, I'm coming in. I've got you, Percy. Oh, I can hear someone following us. Let's go, come on. Come on, Percy. Ah! I've got you now, you and your penguin. What's that noise? What's that noise? Frank! What is that? Ah! flying carpet came and saved us, hey Percy? Knocked that baddie right out. Let's relax and enjoy the ride home. Alright then, Puss. Hang on. Where did that flying carpet come from? Well, hit me right in the head. Oh, I'll get you for this. The only reason they defeated me is because I forgot my umbrella. Unbelievable. A fun thing to do while you're filming is to make fun commercials, ads for television. And they can be about anything. They can be about robots or, getting someone to clean your room, or even, do you want to buy a flying carpet? You do? Let me show you how it works. You just hop on and away we go. And only $9.99. It's a bargain. A fun part of filming can be the mistakes you make as you're making your film. These are usually called bloopers, and you see them at the end of some big movies at the cinema sometimes. So yeah, it just shows all the mistakes, and there can be some funny mistakes because a lot of filming, it takes time, and so for an actor to remember all the lines and where they have to walk and things like that, so mistakes happen, and it makes for some funny material. So that's another thing you can play around with. I'll give you a little example. Hey Jeff, it's not Jeff, you're Percy, I'm Jeff. Sorry, I forgot my wig on. Cut. Well, that's about a wrap, as we say. That's all the filming done. I've shown you a few different techniques. Now, the next film is going to be the editing, and I'll show you how we put it all together and a few little techniques that we can use to improve the film quality. You can turn the sound up, you can sort of play around with the images, you can move the scenes around a little bit. So I'll show you all that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.